explain about the beekeeping tools. This is our kit for the beekeeping. So this kit consists of so many things. The first one is the bee veil, and this bee veil is worn over the face so that it will protect us from getting sting from a bee, and we should wear it like this. And that should not touch our face. The next one is the gloves. These gloves are generally used for the protection, so that we will get some confidence that the bee will not sting in our hand, and we should wear it to remove the frames and doing all other things. One is the cloth. This cloth we should use for the bee boxes, that they will not get any light and the bees will not get distracted, because if they get distracted they may sting. So for safety purpose we should use the bee cloth. Okay. We generally use smoker when the bees get activated. So calm down the bees, we should use the smoker. And for making smoke we need some dry leaves or any coconut fiber, so that it will create non-flammable and less heat for the smoking purpose. And the smoker can be used for calm down the bees. We should apply it like this. Gently we have to apply the smoke so that they will go down.